Design with Emma. Let's make a change. Nothing is too far and out of range. Budget-friendly magic with a soft sprinkle. Watch the inspiration and the ideas grow. Emma's got the vision, you got the heart. Spring is the season for a brand new start. So go ahead and
Good morning, everyone. Today's video is Mellow Yellow. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and more. Myself, Design with Emma, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, and May's Design Corner. Come along with me as I show you my tablescape, Mellow Yellow. I'm gonna let you take a look at it, and then I'm gonna come back and tell you a little bit of how I put it together. You all, it's early morning, so you do hear the birds. And it's gonna rain, so I had to get out here and get this recorded. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and tell you a little bit about my tablescape here. The table runner, you see, with the beautiful lemon and vines running down it, was from Amazon. The floor arrangement here was one that I've made. As you can see, I also have the beautiful lemon stems inside of it and the beautiful yellow bowl. On the back side of it, if you take a look, I purchased these stems yesterday from Amazon, and they were only 50 cents a stem, and they were beautiful. I purchased every one of them that they had in the store because they were such a great buy. My lanterns, I showed you. You can go back and check that video out where I went in and spray painted them. I've hung a vine down the middle, and in the bottom, as you can see, I've placed the yellow roses and a candle. They turned out beautifully. Now I'll break down my tablescape for you. The beautiful black and white pillar covers were from Amazon. The little lemon yellow glasses were from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so let me break down this place setting for you. The lemon placemats were from Hobby Lobby, and they were so cute. The charger plate were from Hobby Lobby. The little white dinner plate was from the Dollar Tree. The yellow salad plate were from the Dollar Tree, and they are plastics because I have them outside here. My little napkin rings with the lemons were from Amazon, and they are so cute. As you can see, they have the lemon and the little flowers. The flatware was from Tuesday Morning. I can get that turned back. There you go. On this side, I have the black one. At the head, I have the white napkins. So all I've done here, I've just went in and changed the colors of the napkins every other place setting. And as you can see also, if you remember, I told you I was gonna paint this table black, and I finally got it painted black. I think what I'm gonna do though, I'm gonna go over it again. But I did go ahead and paint it black. Again, I want to thank the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and more for inviting me to be a part of Mellow Yellow. I will be leaving her information and all of the creators who are participating today in Mellow Yellow. You all make sure you wait for the night view and leave me a message and let me know what you think of my Mellow Yellow Tablescape. This is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you all in my next video. And don't forget, if you're not a member of our family, go ahead and hit that like, comment, and subscribe, because we would love to have you. Wait for that night view, it's coming up. For the night view, I'm just gonna take you in and let you see the night view.